Hello friends, today we're going to learn how to draw monstera leaf and a beach ball. So first you have to kind of draw heart shape, but make sure you are almost in the middle. If you're drawing diagonal, you go like this and take a curve. This is where the monstera leaves are more like a balloon heart. They are not the regular hearts. The balloon hearts, the fluffy balloon shape with lot of curves in them. So this way you have to draw and make it wider. They're not very thin. Most of the leaves are not very thin. That's why I didn't draw the stem first, the vein, the main stem of the leaf. So and then I'm gonna draw the lines. So as everybody knows, we have to draw from thick to thin, and in the end I'll join the stem to the inside of the leaf. So and then we can make it darker or lighter, whatever we want. So here the monstera leaves have these tiered shapes, like it has been tiered there or ribbed there, so they form these shapes in the end. They are not more than 3 or 4, so here we will use just 3 of them. You just have to go inside, take a curve and come back. So it's like a longer U but with a little bit curve, and then there are holes in the leaf. So you want to do some holes, like 3 holes on each side of different sizes. Like when the leaf is initially in the bottom, a bigger one, and then you go, it's a smaller one. Ovals, mostly they are in oval shapes. So that's what I have observed. And then there are some veins, smaller veins. Again, we have to remember, first draw where you want the vein and then draw from thick to thin. That's the thing. So here I have done with marker for the brighter one. I haven't erased the inside pencil marker. So after drawing the marker, I'm gonna erase the pencil marks and all. So when we are doing on the watercolor paper, we can do that. We can just use the pencil instead of the marks. So for you guys, for you to teach kids or anybody if you want to learn, so this is the way we can draw monstera leaf. And coming up, there is one more drawing of a beach ball. So as you can see, we just have to make a circle. So I'm holding my little finger down, and then I am rotating the paper. Instead of rotating my hand, I am rotating the paper. So this way we can make a perfect circle without a compass or anything. You can use a plate or a bowl, because we want a bigger circle. You better use some bigger plates and all. So here, after that, draw a oval where the top point of the beach ball would be. It should be in an oval shape. Sorry, it's too light. And then we are drawing lines in a curved shape. So once you start, go in that direction till the top, and then you stop there. So here mostly it's going to be less curve in the top, because we're not going to see much. And then come back and then do it in the opposite curve, basically. So this is how a beach ball. It's mostly colorful, so I'm gonna use my Sharpie markers and show you how I had done it. In my previous videos, you can see that I have done beach ball, monstera leaf, and some other things in watercolors. You can watch my previous videos and see how I have done these things. And then divide into sections. You can divide into 5, 6, 7, 8. It's up to you. Mostly even sections. If you like it, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.